output processing. We can find the output processing selecting processing in the main menu and output processing in the top tab. We will see the output selection buttons, the 6 outputs of the matrix, and the module selection. You have to switch on each module if you want to use it. The delay can be adjusted up to 1 second in 1 millisecond steps or up to 1 millisecond in higher resolution steps. The units can be adjusted as well. We also have the parametric equalization. We have 10 parametric filters of several types and additionally low and high pass filters of several types and others. Here you can make the selection of the PAQ to edit. You can also visualize other filter curves from other outputs, and you can load a factory setting corresponding to Ecler cabinets. Note that we have selected ARCIS 208i in this example. Next to the graph, you will always get the information of the selected PAQ. You can edit the parameters in this area or directly on the graph. Modifying any parameter will turn into a customized setting as you see. You can save and load settings in the device by clicking on the button next to the drop-down menu. It will open a window where you can create your own settings and export them to an editable CSV file that you can use to import it to another device, for example. Once the settings are saved, they can be reached from the drop-down list as well. The last module in the output processing is the limiter. You have an RMS limiter and a peak limiter. We recommend to use Smart Best Power, but if you prefer adjusting regular loudspeaker limiters, you can do it here. In the right side, you will find the limiter adjustments. Next to it, you monitor the selected limiter, of output 1 in this case. In the bottom, you will monitor all the outputs limiters at the same time, as a reference. Additionally to these models, there is another one that has been demanded by our customers. It's an 8-band graphic EQ that users can adjust to their tastes from panels. VIDA has 14 predefined settings. You will find the graphic EQ here, apart from the processing menu, as the graphic EQ can be changed with presets.